Hello, how are we? Right, so there's the story behind this walk. Well, just basically how we got here, because at the minute it's still frozen, otherwise I wouldn't even attempt it. So we've just come out, as you've seen, a little bit of the absolutely beautiful village of Duffield. Very posh, but lovely place to visit. Saying home again. And yeah, we're just following the river Ecclesbourne for a while, and the railway's just over there. I'll put details at the bottom anyway. But yeah, today got up at R4. Great, no worries, went to the bathroom, brushed teeth, everything else. Laid down for about 5 minutes thinking I've got an hour and a half for the bus. Fell asleep. Woke up at 5:30, 5:45. I thought, you know what, I'll get the 7 o'clock one. I've got another route around here, but I thought, no, we're pushing daylight. I could pass it off there, fingers in again. Passed off daylight. And no. Just no. Changed it. I changed it about 7 times anyway. So I got to I thought, go to Bakewell, get on that one, and I'll do a walk from just past Addinall, around the back into Chatsworth Ground, back into Bakewell, and then walk around there. No. Got on the bus, going fine, la 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 la, and all of a sudden, what the hell's that? Bus driver pulled over, brakes had seized. So managed to get back in just into Matlock. And I thought, I'm not waiting an hour at -1 for another bus, so I planned to walk around Matlock. Somebody, I just got talking to somebody, says no, on Matlock Moor, says the ground's absolutely awful at the minute. It's worse than this. Like I say, luckily enough, a lot of this is frozen-ish. So yeah, so I thought, oh right, okay, I'll do one from Belper to Duffield, something different. So I was treading through all the mud. No. It's the same route, but I'm doing it from Duffield to Belper so I can get back and get a coffee or something on the way back, warm up. So yeah, it's a fairly easy walk today, but I've already had to change this route because it's gone from 4 hours to 3 hours 14, I think now. But we're going up from here, we'll follow up through here, up through some, what do we call it, fields, and then into Hazelwood, which I've never been. So it looks like a village, but I've just got it on Google Maps, and it's basically like a very posh hamlet, because very, very big houses there. And then we'll come back down through back lane, through back pass, come through top of the, go up back at the top around the end of the golf course, drop down into, on the River Derwent, follow that for a bit, and then into Belper. So yeah, as you can tell, it's easier working in a pickled onion factory with your bare hands smelling the crackers. Anyway, no gimp sticks required obviously today. It wasn't in the first place, but yeah, I've done about 2 or 3 routes on the thing, so I'll put them all up today, what the routes were. I'll have a look at them, put all the details in. Anyway, yeah, it was absolutely stunning this morning. It's now gone cloudy, so ideal for photography. But yeah, we'll crack on and we'll try and get a walk out of this one. Last minute dash, I think that's going to be the name of the video. Dashing off, how's that? So yeah, we'll crack on and I'll see you shortly. Never seen that before. A Lumix lens cap in the wild. I've just gone through that bush or whatever. Went to take a photo, so I thought, where the hell's my lens cap gone? Decided to hook itself onto the tree. Anyway, people are out now behind me. You know, I'm not talking in front of people. Anyway, we'll see where the path keeps going, and hopefully we'll come off it soon, because I've had enough already. See you in a bit. Right, I've tried to remain dry. I've got one left foot dry, one right foot wet through. As you can tell by the family down there, I've just warned them and the girls just walked straight through the ice. Almost knee high. Oh well, right. Apart from, oh god, my feet's going to stink, my boots are going to stink later. Up there, where are we? Where are we? There. This way is Corndon. Very, very posh and very, very expensive village, but a very nice one as well. There's a cracking pub there. Can't remember the name of it. But anyway, we are going up, you can see me, right along this edge, and then we're going to cross over and up the hill and hopefully onto dry land for a bit. I'm hoping anyway. Right, let's keep going. and try and see if my feet, actually my foot's not too bad actually, to be fair. The boots are waterproof, but starting to see it stink already. Anyway, I'll catch up with you shortly. Divvies in the house. That, where I've just pointed, is actually Hazelwood. London is over this way somewhere, but I've gone almost 90 degrees round. Anyway, I'm going to follow that family because GPS is all over the place at the minute. Right, I think I've got a lot of stuff to get end of this month, so I'm going to see what I can. But one thing is definite I'm adding to the list, excuse my language, a pair of fucking wellies. My legs are absolutely sodden past the ankles now in mud, which I don't mind. I love this kind of weather, but at the same time, I'm not even halfway through the walk yet. Yeah, anyway, that family that will be on me, they're already in Hazelwood. Good on. Oh well, that's easy for something. One good thing about today, it's nice and sunny, even though I can't see a thing while I'm looking in the screen, so I don't know exactly what I'm shooting. I'm shooting 2 sheep at it from that. There you go, 3 adult filming. Anyway, up that way through the housing, and then it's back through the fields, and then just get through the house on Hazelwood, and then it'd be across over this way, up a bit, and then back down on the hill at the back of the golf course. Not too fat. Not bad views at all. So, we're going down that way. Right, now you didn't see much of Hazelwood, so I thought I'd go and have a quick check out. It's just massive properties gated, so you're not really seeing much. You're seeing there's a few houses up this way and around the corner, but that'll be it. So we're going to head down this back lane, and then if you can see, there's a farmhouse just over there. So we'll just head round the back of there, around the side of the hill, up to there, because the trig point, but it's 1 o'clock now. And I've got to nip to Morrison to get some sleep. So yeah, we'll head round the back of there, and that'll drop us in near Milford, and then it's a case of just follow the road and then onto the river, and then come off just before, well, funnily enough, the island at Morrison's. I'll see you shortly. Nah, sod it, we'll just carry up the lane and go to the top. Can't go up here and not get to the top of it, can I? Anyway, water. Not a bad view, is it? Not a bad climb either. Why do I do this to myself? Anyway, it says wintry showers around 2 o'clock. Ever so slightly spitting now, but I don't think it's going to be heavy. Anyway, let's get to the top. Right, I don't know if it'll let me zoom in very well, but if you can see the very distance here on the very lightest edge just for the clouds, where that treetop is on the left, is like a silver lining. That is basically Leicestershire. That's Beacon Hill, and towards more that side, right in between there and Bredgate. See, Belper views up this way. Not bad backdrop, is it? Anyway, yeah, feels like you're in the Dales at the minute, but you're still Amber Valley. Over that way is towards Idrehay and everything, because obviously it'll come from Belper this side and come out. So you probably see it, but you won't. I don't think you would. Over this way will be Ashbourne, so it might do a walk from Duffield to Ashbourne one day. But yeah, I've not done this side this much, and I might have to do a bit more of it, because it is beautiful out here. It's not the biggest hill, it's probably 500-600 foot, but it's not the point. I can just see all the views from here through the trees, you can't see it on camera. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, gorgeous houses up here as well. I wouldn't say no. Anyway, we'll crack on and we'll get on to, I can't remember the name of the thing, it's an old rook cow track. So I'll speak to you shortly. See what I meant? Beautiful views. Need your hope will be over this way somewhere, because that hill is up at Upport Heights. Yeah, Upport Heights. First hill you come to in Derbyshire over 1,000, and come Hazelwood that way again. And then looking back over towards Little Eaton way. Right, so just dropping down behind this wall, this wall, yeah, that wall. Drop behind there and then we'll get onto this path. Just a bit lower down, then it will go higher up as you go. But now you're starting to open up to views of Belper as well, and it is beautiful. But I'm going to move on, because even though it's not black clouds, getting a bit windy, and he said there were showers, so it looks like there might be rain, not just little patters. But so yeah, we'll get a move on. Not long. Once we're in Belper, we can just either get back into Derby, or we're into Belper and get to Morrison's from there, whichever. So yeah, we'll get down, get on this path, and I'll see you shortly. There is Belper. We're along Milford. So we're climbing up and over, and then coming down. And we'll follow the river along this way till we get to roughly about here-ish, cross over, and then the island's here with Morrison's is. Then I'll finish there. So, right, let's get going. Right, I think what we'll do, because I'm a bit cautious of time, because it's gone 2 o'clock now. Well, it's about 20 past 2, and it's a good hour and a half walk back. Well, not home, obviously. But yeah, so we'll head back down this way, and then we'll cut down across the fields, and roughly that's where I was going to go on along back on the river anyway, because I had to follow the road for a bit, because it's not really much of a path next to the train track. But yeah, see Netherheage over here, Heage, and Netherheage will be further down the hill down here in the valley, obviously Belper, and then further in the background you've got I think that's Ripley, Ripley and Alverton further up over this way. So yeah, decent views. Then obviously the light casting on the tree at the minute there. Beautiful. Why did I put my camera away at the wrong times? Never mind. Anyway, we'll get heading down that way. But yeah, it was only going to be a short walk after the struggles and trialations, or Marvin's look. Anyway, so yeah, I'll see you shortly. Down we go. Right, well, going from up that hill, this lady I've just seen going up it, so she does see it's on YouTube. Hello. It's slippy to say the least. Luckily enough, not fell over, because I've been holding that fence all the way down. The lady's been slipping on this ever so slight slab, just starting to go up. So she says, I think I'm going to do the same as you, so I'll have to catch on camera up here anyway. But she's crawling, it's virtually crawling up by the side of the fence, isn't it? It's that bit slippy at the moment, and I mean it is a mud pit, so sorry about the lovely camera work there. But yeah, we'll get down this way, get down to there, cross over, and then there's a road you can just see down there, follow the river, go over, and then come back, and it'll literally bring us in at the back of Morrison's. Boom. I know what I'm doing. Or pure luck, one or the other. So yeah, I'll finish it soon. So you see footpath, etc. Yeah, and the style. Why the hell would you put barbed wire? I've just put my hand in that without realising, stabbed myself. Absolute knobhead, some people. Anyway, that way or that way, I don't know yet. We'll see. How's that for a spot sitting in summer? Beautiful. Apart from probably a few cars from the houses around here, that'll be it. You might have the walkers about, because this follows the river right through to Duffield. But yeah, beautiful spot in summer. Just my luck, somebody's put stepping stones down after all the mud and crap I've had to go through today. Anyway, just before we finish, that is the hill where the bus comes down, the Sixes, and there's the mill itself. So we'll get on there, walk round, and then tit shop, and then shower basically. Right, well, hope you enjoyed it. Last minute dashing off, hence the name. Yeah, it's been a nice little pleasant walk out, even though it's got covered in mud and everything but crap really. It makes a nice change. Yeah, so this is, I'm not finished the walk yet, but I'll put this at the end just to confuse you. I'm just admiring the view of a Belper, to be honest with you. The light's coming down on the mill and that. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed it. We'll try and get at least one in next week, but most probably be 2. Don't forget to obviously subscribe, everything else. I have started, the podcast will start next Wednesday. So if you give a listen to that, this one won't be on it. It's just the main ones that I do. As after this weekend, it will be every Wednesday, but from the videos that go out on the Sunday. So you'll hear me babbling again, but extras. And I did have quite a bit to say on the last walk, especially cyclists. But yeah, I'll put the details down at the bottom. Footpath and Fables, and yeah, put all the socials down at the bottom. Don't forget to follow and everything else. I'm on TikTok. I've had to do a new account on that actually because I got hacked. Thanks. And Instagram, the usual thing. Put them down at the bottom anyway. So don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Helps the algorithm, helps me as well, because I'm trying to get to 1,000 by the end of this year if I can, hopefully. But we'll see. If not, that's life. But yeah, that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. Still a beautiful but cloudy day, and I'm going down into Belper where the sun is shining, the skies are clear. I'll speak to you soon. Stay safe.